our learning target today, I will be able to simplify fractions. We have a few steps in order to simplify fractions. First, we're going to write down the facts, or factors, for each number. Second, we're going to cross off the common facts, or factors. Third, you may have to break the facts down further. Fourth, continue to cross off common facts or factors. Fifth, what is left is simplest form. If there is more than one number left, multiply them together. We're going to do a few of these examples together just to make sure that you understand. So 50 and 75. Two numbers that multiply together to give me 50, but not the only two options, are 5 times 10. 75 is 25 times 3. At this point, we have done step 1. Step 2, there are no common factors to cross off, so I'm going to continue to break down some of the numbers. So I can keep the 5 because I do not need to write 5 times 1. 10 becomes 5 times 2. 25 is 5 times 5, and we can leave the 3. At this point, I can get rid of the 5's, and I'm left with 2/3 is my simplest form. Now we're going to try 24/36. Two numbers that multiply together to give me 24 are 6 times 4. Two numbers that multiply together to give me 36 are 6 times 6. I can get rid of the 6's, they match. 4 and 6 do not match, so I'm going to try to break it down even further. 4 is 2 times 2, and 6 is 3 times 2. I can get rid of the 2's. I'm left with 2/3. It is just a coincidence that both of these simplify to 2/3. The numbers that you're crossing off do not have to be up and down from each other. They could be diagonal. So I could have, in this example, crossed off these two. I would have still been left with 2/3. Two numbers that multiply together to give you 16 are 4 times 4. Two numbers that multiply together to give you 72 are 9 times 8. 4, 4, 9, and 8 have nothing in common, so I'm going to continue to break down the numbers. 4 can be broken down into 2 times 2 and 2 times 2. 9 can be broken down into 3 times 3, and 8 can be broken down into 4 times 2. I have matching 2's, and now I'm going to continue breaking down. 4 becomes 2 times 2. Match, match, and now I'm left with 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 ninths. 48 can be broken down into 6 times 8. 56 can be 8 times 7. The 8's match. 6 and 7 would not have anything that would match other than a 1, so this simplifies to 6/7. The more you know your math facts, the easier this will be.